The Netherlands is globally renowned for its iconic tulip fields. For most of us, it's a vast, neatly manicured field of vibrant colors stretching across the landscape of Netherlands. But the true story of the tulip began thousands of miles away from the Europe in a much more rugged and wild landscape. Long before it was a global status symbol, the tulip was a survivor. It originated in the harsh, high-altitude mountain ranges of Central Asia and the foothills of Himalayas. In these environments, it didn't look like the tall, elegant flower we buy at florists today. It was a short, resilient mountain wildflower, often a simple, brilliant red or yellow bloom, built to endure freezing alpine winters and scorching summer droughts. It was a hidden gem of the mountains, completely unknown to the Western world. The first major shift in the tulip's destiny happened in the 1400s, when travelers carried some strange-looking tulip bulbs into the heart of the Ottoman Empire, modern-day Turkey. While it looked like nothing more than a dirty, gnarled root, the Turks instantly saw its hidden potential. The Turks transformed the tulip entirely by taking a simple, rugged wildflower and turning it into a highly styled, royal luxury symbol through careful breeding. The flower became a royal obsession, earning the name tulip from the Persian word for turban because of its elegant, cupped shape. Finally, at the end of the 16th century, the tulip made its grand entrance into the Netherlands. When Dutch botanists planted these bulbs, they sparked an absolute sensation. The contrast was mind-blowing. This rough, unattractive bulb buried in the dirt would break open in spring to reveal an incredibly sophisticated, brightly colored flower. By the 1630s, this fascination turned into tulip mania, the world's first massive economic bubble. People were so obsessed with the rare tulip varieties that a single bulb could be traded for the price of a luxury house or an entire estate. The massive Dutch fields we admire today are the beautiful final chapter of an incredible cross-continental journey.